Hello again, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Chris the Entertainer here. And today, I'm going to be reading you guys my favorite Sesame Street Christmas book. And it's called Big Bird's Ticklish Christmas by Golden Books. So anyway, is everybody ready to read the story with me? Super! Alright everybody, let's do it. Here we go. Big Bird's Ticklish Christmas, featuring Jim Henson, Sesame Street Muppets. And of course, this book is from 1997, just like my Muppet Babies Christmas book that I just read to you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and begin the story. Here we go. 'Twas Christmas time on Sesame Street, but Big Bird felt quite grumpy. "I wanted these gifts to look pretty," he wailed, "but instead they look all lumpy." But then that bird began to smile, and then he started wriggling. Someone was tickling him, you see. Soon, Big Bird started giggling. Tee. What happened next sounds silly, but it's absolutely true. Some Christmas shoppers heard him, and they started laughing too. Next there passed some carolers singing fa la 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 la. They heard the laughs, then changed their tune to ha 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 ha. Around the corner, Prairie Dawn was trimming a Christmas tree. She heard the people laughing and began to tee-hee-hee. Cookie was making Christmas treats, sprinkling them with glitter. Some people started walking by laughing. So he started to giggle and titter. One person would start laughing, then another one would hear. Soon everyone on Sesame Street had caught the Christmas cheer. Some monsters playing laughed so hard they rolled right off their sleds. Some monsters skating chuckled so much they fell and bumped their heads. The laughter traveled round the world from Texas to Timbuktu. I'm pretty sure Timbuktu is from Japan or something near the Great Wall of China or Mount Fuji. But yeah, it could be it. Anyway, back to the story. Grown-ups, children, babies laughed. Their pets were laughing too. It even reached the cold North Pole where Santa's reindeer heard. To think that all this started just by tickling one big bird. Santa saw his reindeer laughing and rolling in the snow. "What's going on out there?" he called, and began to ho, ho, ho. The whole world was now laughing. Who had started it? Did you know? Let's see. A monster filled with Christmas cheer. You guessed it, your friend Elmo. The end. Great story, everyone. I like it.